How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect to VS Code with Snowflake. So to get started, the first thing that you want to do is to actually click on the extensions tab. And in here, you then want to type Snowflake. Now, a free account on Snowflake can also go ahead and work. So from here, let's just click on the official application released by Snowflake. Click on the install button, trust publisher and install. And from there, we can now configure our Snowflake right here. So you will see that at the size category where we have installed our extensions. And in here, it's really simple. Just enter your account identifier or URL. Now you can find this onto the bottom of your screen, which is going to be on your account name right here. Click on this drop down menu. Select the account that you want to connect to VS Code. And from there, you then have the copy URL button, which is going to be this one. So just copy it, and then you want to paste it right here. Click continue, and there you have it. You will be able to connect it to VS Code. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.